Hey, good evening everybody. It's Ryan over here at the Trawf. Thanks for joining me. I got a video tonight for a dinner that I usually do on the weekend, but we're gonna go ahead and jam it into a Tuesday night and show you that it can be done. We're gonna be doing some grilled pork chops with braised red cabbage. So we have company coming over tonight and wanna make a nice dinner for us. So let's go ahead and get it started. Welcome to the Trawf. Back in the kitchen here, this is the pork chops that I went ahead and placed into a brine earlier today around lunchtime. Center cut, bone-in pork chops. Put them in a quick brine, which is water, salt, brown sugar, peppercorns, and bay leaves. Very simple, but really helps to make sure we're not going to end up with dry pork chops. So go ahead and get these ready and start working on the cabbage. Remember, when you brine your pork chops, you want to get them out, rinse them off with cool water, and then dry them with some paper towels before they're ready for the grill. We'll set these aside and start cutting some cabbage. All right, so I've got the ingredients here that we're going to be using for the braised cabbage. I use a half of a red cabbage, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of balsamic, and I have 2 tablespoons of butter melted in a heavy bottom cast iron pot. All right, so go ahead and start getting these sliced up. This time I'm actually going to add in a couple of apples. Had a recommendation from a coworker. So we're going to add that in tonight as well. So let's get everything prepped. All right, so we got our butter melted down in the skillet here. We're going to go ahead and add our cabbage, stir it up, and go ahead and get that to start wilting down. We'll add our apples as well. Alright, so it's been about 5 minutes with the cabbage and the apples and the butter here, and you can see how much softer it is, and the cabbage has lightened up just a little bit. At this point, you want to sprinkle over the 2 tablespoons of white sugar, toss it around to coat everything evenly. Once that's mixed in nice and evenly, you want to pour in a 1/4 cup of balsamic vinegar. Stir it around. Once it starts to simmer, turn the heat down to low, cover, and let it simmer until soft. Usually takes about 30 minutes. All right, so we're back in the backyard. We went ahead and got the big green egg heated up. It looks like it's at about 375, coming up to about 400. We're gonna do these pork chops direct. The cabbage is inside, just doing its thing. And we got the vegetables all prepped, so we're already in there. So I'm gonna spend the rest of the time outside here getting these pork chops ready. Today we're gonna be using a spice that we can get here in Milwaukee from the Spice House. This is the Old World 3rd Street blend. This is a really great universal blend. It works well for just about all kinds of barbecue that I've used it on, whether that's pork or chicken, and even on some beef. So that's a nice rub. You can go ahead, I'll put a link to their website down in the description below. And we'll go ahead and get these pork chops prepped and get them on the egg. So it's been about 10 minutes on this first side of these pork chops. I'm looking forward to flipping them over and seeing how they're coming along. Beautiful color on those pork chops. That rub is doing the trick. Get the rest of these flipped over and make sure things are coming along in the kitchen. So the cabbage has been going for about 30 minutes. Let's go ahead and take a look and see what we got. Exactly what we're looking for. The smell is incredible. Let's plate it up. All right, everybody, well, there you go. Dinner on a Tuesday night. We have grilled pork chops on the big green egg and braised cabbage with apples and balsamic vinegar. I'm telling you what, we're eating like it's Sunday and it's only Tuesday. Anyways, I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you do, please hit that subscribe link down below and the notification bell. We want to keep you posted on when we do get new content coming out, and I appreciate you watching as always. And this is Ryan again from the Trawf, thanking you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Have a great night.